So, in continuation of our previous video, now we are doing this question 1 and part 5. Question I have written from the book. Now we will write the values by seeing this. Okay, so 5 means multiply, you have to do cos square, so you have to find the cos 60. So cos 60 will be under root 3 by 2. So cos 60 will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square it will become. Then 4 will come here, multiply, and sec 2 you have to find out. Sec 2 and 30 degrees. Sec 2 30 degree means from here you have to go. So it becomes your base, and it becomes your base, and then it becomes your perpendicular. So and it will become 2 by 3 base, 2 by 3 it will become. So sec will become opposite to cos, it will become 2 under root 3, it will become 2 under root 3. And tan 45 is perpendicular upon base, so it will become 1. Okay, now sin 30 degree, sin 30 from here we will go. So now it is base here, so 1 by 2 it will come, 1 by 2 it will come. Cos 30 degree will be under root 3 to hypotenuse 3 by 2. So like with the help of this you can fill it and you can go further. Okay, now we will solve the equation. Okay, so here we are solving 5, and if you will square you will do, it will become 1 and it will become 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4, and it will make it 4 and it will make it 3. So into 4 upon 3 minus 1, it will become like this. And here it will become 2 upon 4, it will become 2 upon 4 plus it will become 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. It will become like this. Okay. So here LCM is the same. So what you can do? Okay, 1 square, it will remain 1, because 1 square means 1 into 1 is equal to 1, not 2. So it will be 1. So what will happen? Lower side it will become, LCM is 4. So 4 upon 4 it will cut and it will become 1. Here upper side 5 upon 4 it will become 5 upon 4 plus, and 4 for the 16 upon 3 minus 1. Now this lower side is 1, so it is not required. We can do directly here. So we will take the LCM 12. So 4, 3 5 are 15 plus 3 is divided by 12. 4 will come and 4 16 64. And here 1 is there. So 12 will come minus 12. Okay, so this is your answer. So question 1 and 5th is over. Now we will do question number 2 and 1. Okay, so I will rub and then I will do it. I will write question and do. So here question is 2 tan 30 degree, 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So what this we are used for 60 and 30, we use this diagram. So then it becomes your, for 30 it becomes base and this becomes your perpendicular. So tan, suppose they want to know. So what will be? It will be, tan will be 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3 we have written. Okay, that's why 1 upon 3 we have written. Okay, now I will solve it. Like this you can draw 1 second and you can write the values, otherwise you can learn and write also. So we will multiply it by 2. So if you multiply by 2, what will happen? So it is 2 upon 1 into 1 upon under root 3. It is like this. And here it is 1 plus, this will make it 1, and here it will become 3 into 3, it will become 3. So upper side will be 2 upon under root 3, and here it will be, LCM is 3. So it will be the 3 plus 1. Okay. So what will happen? It will happen 2 under root 3. Under root 3, we will write to this side. Equal to 2 under root 3 upon 4 upon 3. So equal to what will happen? 2 under root 3. This we will take upper side. 3 upon 4. You can cut it, it will come 2. So what will be there? 3 upon 2 under root 3. So 1 minute. And this 3 is equal to 3, we can write like this. 3 into 3 also we can write. And this 2 under root 3. Here multiply sign is there. So we can cut it. Now what will remain? It will remain under root 3 by 2. Under root 3 by 2, you have to see in the formula that is equal to which one. So under root 3 by 2, it is in your 60 degree. 1, 2 under root 3 and it is 60 degree. So 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2. So what is it? It is your sine 60 degree. So your answer will be sine 60 degree. Okay, this is question number 1 is done. Now question number second part second question 1 and 2 we will do. 2. 1 minus tan square 45 degree upon 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Okay, so we know tan 45 equal to 1. Tan 45 means like this, it is 45 degree. 1 and under root 2 we write. So tan is 1 upon 1 means 1. So we will write 1 minus 1 square upon here 1 plus 1 square. So what will happen? It will become 1 minus 1 and here it will be 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 upon 2. 0 upon 2 means your answer is 0 upon 2. So 0 upon 2 answer is it is equal to 0. So what option? In the option we will, D is matching. So option D will be your answer. Option D, because D is equal to 0. So this will be your answer. Okay. Now we will rub and we will go to question number 3. So our third question is sine 2a equal to, this one is true when and options are being given. So A option, first option A option is equal to 0, B option is equal to 30 degree and C option is equal to 45 degree and D option is 60 degree they have given. So first we will take this one, A is equal to 0. So using the first option, we will write using the first option, what we will sine 2 and 2 into A means into 0 equal to 2 and sine A equal to 0 we are taking. So what will happen? Sine, it will become 0. It will become 0 degree. It is 0 degree. So it will become 0 degree. Sine 0 degree equal to, here what will happen? This 2 will multiply it 2 into 0 degree. Okay. So here sine 0 is nothing, it is 0. And here also 2 0 multiplied by it will become 0. So this is true. This is true when A is, so option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer here. Okay, now we will go to question number 2 and 4th. Question number 2 and its 4th part we are going to do. Okay. So next question is your 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. You have to solve and take the correct option. What is the correct option is there. So 2 will remain like this, tan 30. Tan 30 means from here you have to look. So this becomes, when it will become base, and this becomes your perpendicular. Okay, so tan 30, 1 upon under root 3, 1 upon, it will become 1 upon under root 3. 1 upon under root 3, it will become 1 upon under root 3. Okay. So now we have to solve this equation. So what will happen? 2 will go upper side, 2 upon under root 3. And here what we will, it will make 1 minus, this will become 1 and this will become 3. Okay. So equal to 2 under root 3, and LCM 3 will be there, so 3 will come and it is 1. So it will become 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to, then it will become 2 under root 3 upon 2 by 3. So what we can do, 2 under root 3, and this figure we will take upper side. 3 upon 2, this we can cut. And this 3 we can write it 3 into under root 3 upon under root 3. So this also we can cut. So what will remain? Under root 3 will remain. So under root 3 will remain. Under root 3 is equal to, under root 3 is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So it is 60 degree. So it is tan is under root 3. So it is equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. Your option C is the correct answer. Option C will be correct. This is your answer. Option C is your answer. Okay, now we will go to the next question, question number 3. So here it is given under root 3. Under root 3 is equal to what? Under root 3 is equal to, just we have written, it is 60 degree, 1, 2 and under root 3. So suppose it is equal to tan, we have to see. So under root 3, when it becomes tan 30, when it is 60 degree. So it is equal to tan 60 degree. It becomes equal to tan 60 degree. You have to see tan in this. So tan is under root 3. So tan 60 degree it becomes. And here you have to find 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3, when it will come? When it will 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 will come if you, from here you will see. Then from here it becomes a base and it becomes perpendicular. Then 10 will be 1 upon 3. So it is 30 degree. So 10, 30 degree. Okay. Now we will solve. A plus B tan equal to tan 60 degree, and tan A minus B equal to tan 30 degree. Tan and tan we can remove, this we can remove. Okay. So here A plus B and A minus B we will subtract. We will add. So add. By adding it will go off and 2A will remain. 2A is equal to 90 degree. So A will be equal to 90 by 2 is equal to 45 degree. Now A's value you put it here. So A plus B is equal to 60 degree. A is equal to now 45 degree. So plus B is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 15 degree. So B equal to 15 degree. Your answer A equal to 45 degree and B equal to 15 degree. Okay, this is your answer. This is your answer. We will go to question number 4 now. Question 4 and first. In this you have to tell true or false. Means it is true or false type questions are here. So first question is sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Okay. So if A and B is something we will take and just see whether it is correct or not. So sin, suppose A 30 degree we are taking and B 60 degree we are taking, and here sin 30 degree will be there plus sin 60 degree will be there. Okay. So it is sin 90 degree will come here, and now sin 30 degree. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 plus sin 60 degree you have to write. Sin 60 will be, if you make it like this, 1, 2 under root 3 and it is your 6 sin 30, sin 60 will be under root 3 by 2, under root 3 by 2. Okay, so what this sin 90 degree, sin 90 is equal to 1, and here it is LCM is 2, 1 plus under root 3. Okay, so this and this not equal, so it is false. So answer is false. Okay, now 4 and second part we are doing. Now question number 4 and second part we are doing. The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Means they want to say, suppose it is sine 0 degree, then sine 30 degree, then sine 45 degree, or sine 60 degree, or sine 90 degree. Okay, so sine 0 degree is 0, and here 90 degree it becomes 1, and other sine 30, sine 45 we will know from here. So sine 30 will be, this is your base, and this becomes perpendicular when it is 30 degree. Okay, so it will become 1 by 2. Sine 30 it will become 1 by 2. Sine 30 will be perpendicular to 1 by 2. It will become 1 by 2. Okay, or sine 60 we can take sine 45, 1 and 2. 45 is here, sine, so sine 45 degree, so sine will be 1 under root 2. Okay, sine 60 degree under root 3 by 2, under root 3 by 2. And if you solve it, 1 by 2 means 0.5, 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 2 I am doing with the help of calculator. Okay, so now you see, as the theta is increasing, this is also increasing. So your option is true. The question is true because it also increases. Okay. Now question number 3 we will do. Now your third question is, the value of cos increases as theta increases. So value of cos theta. So again we will write cos 0 degree, then cos 30 degree we will write cos 30 degree, and cos 45 degree we will write, and cos 60 degree we will write, and cos 90 degree we will write, and we will see whether it is increasing or not increasing. Okay. Cos 0 degree is equal to 1, and cos 30 is equal to under root 3 by 2. Okay, cos 45 will be okay, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, and this is 1 under root 2, 1 under root 2, and this will become 0. Okay, here also the values we will put 0.86 here equal to 0.707, 0.5, and this is 0, and this is equal to 1. Here you see it is not increasing, it is decreasing here. Here it was increasing, so too here it is decrease. Theta, as the theta increases, but the value decreases, so it is false. So these are your two answers. Now question number, its fourth part we are going to do. Okay. So we will rub and we will do the fourth part. Our question is sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Meaning these values, if you will change, go on like 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degree or 90, it should be equal. So this happens only here you see 1 upon under root 2. This is your sine 45. So if you will take sine 45 degree, it is 1 under root 2. So it is 1 and under root 2. And if you take cos 45 degree, cos 45 also 1 under root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 under root 2. So here it is the same. So not for all, but for 45 degree it is coming the same. So it is false. All, not for all. It is not for all. So answer will be your false. Okay, now question number 5. We are question 4 and 5th part we are going to do. Here they want to know cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. Okay, so we know that tan equal to sine upon cos, and cot is equal to, so cot equal to cos upon sine. So cot we are taking cot 0. So cot 0 degree, and cos also, it is A. So it is also A. So equal to cos 0 degree upon sine 0 degree. So here cos 0 degree is 1. Okay. And sine is 0. So it cannot be, if 0 is here, it cannot be divided. So it is termed as not defined. Okay, it is not defined. So cot 0 degree is not defined. It is true. Your answer is true. So by this this chapter is over. We will meet in our next video for a next chapter, application of trigonometry. By the time, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.